What's good, YouTube? Welcome to Arbitrum Spaces. This is where I give you guys everything Arbitrum related, all the newest and hottest alts on Arbitrum, guys. In this video, we're going to be checking out Unbiased AI. But before we get into it, guys, always remember I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. Now, Unbiased AI has been making some moves. It is a decentralized cutting-edge generative artificial intelligence without any censorship. Train and run the Noise GPT models profit from the paradigm shift, and it has multiple different products and models that it has designed. We see how AI has taken off so much in the stock market and in the crypto space. In the world as we know it, AI will take over, and Noise GPT could be one of those projects that takes the AI world by storm. Get the full power of AI at your fingertips, free of hidden biases and censorship. Hyper-realistic text-to-speech. We see Chat GPT has its text-to-speech technology. Generative voice overs that are indistinguishable from reality. Dialogue bots converse with our bots as if you were talking to a real person. Single shot voice cloning. Recreate any voice with only 60 seconds of audio. This is something interesting. Single shot voice cloning. So you could take, any celebrity, any popular person, and recreate their voice, and who knows, you could use that for music and stuff like that. I saw AI Kanye West, and AI Drake, what I'm saying, making so much noise in crypto Twitter. Everyone was talking about it as far as outside of crypto Twitter as well, just in general, how AI has been recreating the world as we know it, right? And they also have examples for you to take a look at. See a clip right here from Joe Rogan.
Morgan, Jennifer, Mr. President, welcome to the new Noise GPT podcast. I'm excited for this. Okay, so hey,
life
Tom
is like a box of chocolates.
Motherfucker, did you just call me a chocolate?
Does anyone want to see my box? It is wet.
Okay, guys, settle down. Jennifer, please put your pants back on. Mr. President, let's start with you.
It's apparent now that China was responsible for coronavirus leaking from the lab.
Oh, wow. Guys, that is absolutely crazy, okay? That sounds just like all of the voices from Trump, Joe Rogan, Morgan Freeman, different actors as well. That is insane, guys. That is absolutely insane. Now, we have other integrations as well, where we have a web app, Telegram, a Telegram bot, Telegram premium bot, Twitter bot, Discord, Android, iPhone use our API. Now that is, I'm impressed by that, the voice cloning, guys. I'm super impressed because it sounds just like all of the celebrities that we know. Noise GPT is on a mission. What is the difference between Noise GPT and competitors? What is the role of Noise GPT? How do I get Noise GPT token? These are just, frequently asked questions. And we have the team as well right here. You could go through their Telegram links to speak to them directly. Now, the team is not doxed, but from what I've seen from the voice cloning and everything I've checked out so far, this project is looking very bullish. Who knows how far it could go in the future? Let's take a look at the Twitter. So it's pretty brand new, 2,300 followers. Recent tweets from the 16th and a retweet from yesterday. So the team is still active. I always check out these projects, guys, because you just never know what could happen in the future. Apologize for my neighbor's dogs in the background. You know how it goes. But yeah, so far from what I've seen from Noise GPT, it looks very bullish. Remember, guys, in crypto you just never know what project could be successful, what project could really take off. This is something that you're interested in, guys. Go check it out for yourself. Links to the project will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you guys next time in Arbitrum Spaces. Peace.